What's up, you guys? We got a Saturn over here today. It's an old vehicle, and guy is a good friend of mine, but he was stuck, and not as stuck, but the car was acting weird. So something small as a 50-cent pipe, such as this, can cause your car to stall, lean codes. It can do all kinds of crazy stuff. So what I'm about to show you guys today is a simple fix. All you need to do is look at your vehicle once in a while. So let's hold up our camera. This might be a weird video, but check this out. You see this pipe? Something like this is gonna give you lean, rich, lean, all kinds of codes, okay? Because you got a vacuum that's escaping. You got this busted pipe. So very simple. We're gonna go get a needle nose and we're gonna remove this guy and we're gonna replace it with something simple as this. So all you do is go buy yourself a pipe or a hose and replace it. That's how simple it is, because those pipes, you're not gonna find them anywhere, and you don't want to go crazy either. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our needle nose and we're gonna turn. See this pipe, it has gripped on to the other end. So take it easy, just turn. It will break itself loose. Over here you have, this is a PCV valve, so be careful. And just go gently and easily and smoothly. And then after that, once this has broken loose, you just pull on it and pull on the other end. See this crusty little looking pipe? It's done deal with this guy. Next, what you want to do is you want to stick this end onto this pipe here. Just try to find the correct size, and I might cut it a bit. Okay, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna cut this a bit, and that's our PCV valve right there. So I'm gonna go get a knife. I'm gonna cut this a bit. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna measure this guy. So I'm gonna cut about 1/4 of an inch right off this pipe. Okay, probably cut a bit more. There we have it. We're gonna stick this end over here. So then we can just fold this guy in. It's a little bit tough to get this guy in, but we're gonna get it in there. Yeah! Okay, doesn't need to be flush all the way, but if you can manage, very good. But bada bing, bada boom, there you go. $5 pipe, 50 cents, you could call it, because you're only gonna use a piece of it, and you're all done. Thank you for watching. Save yourself some money, do it yourself, don't hit the mechanic. Just overlook your car every once in a while, just take a look at things, okay? I would even replace this one, but I don't have. I need to order another pipe, but this one looks pretty good, so no issues there. Anyways, thank you for watching, guys.